Hey, welcome back to KBCC Garage.
Hi folks, I'm Mark Atwood. Welcome back to KBCC Garage. Tonight we're working on the 1977 Pontiac Ventura. As we stated in the last episode, we've taken this car into the shop to work on it for Gabriella's husband. And I think it's coming along pretty good. Right now, we're doing some exhaust work, making some custom headers. Isn't that right, Jessie?
That's correct, Mark. We turned those headers over to Cliff Kissy Boy Smith to bend those tubes so they fit to his will inside this engine bay. Take a look at this.
Hey folks, it's Cliff Kissy Boy Smith, and you can see what I'm working on here. Can't say the work is just beginning on this. It actually began over a year ago since I've had this. Looks like it was started at some point. Ventura kit. Looks like somebody stripped it and still had all the parts to it. Looks like they had painted it and then decided, oh, I'm gonna do it over again. Then they decided to sell it. Anyway, never done this before to this extent. I'm actually gonna try to make some collectors for these headers, these solder headers. This will be either success or fail. So take you guys along, more documented for me to put on my channel, I guess. Either way it goes, I can put it up, or if I fail, then I can just keep this video and you'll never see it, and it'll never see the light of day. Either way, this is my try to make some collectors for these headers here for this Pontiac. Stay tuned. Well, it looks like Kissy Boy put some good work into those headers. We're going to show you a few pictures of its progress.
Now, of course, they're not done, but they do seem to be shaping up pretty good. Take a look at these pictures.
I definitely want to get my hands dirty on this one too. So I went ahead and drug out the engine hoist and pulled the 400 out of the engine bay and let Kissy Boy get right to it. Needless to say, this is really exhausting work.
Come on, Mark. I know you're better than that.
Well, I think dad jokes are appropriate coming from a dad.
I'll give you a pass this time, Mark. But I think we're going to go ahead and wrap up this here episode of KBCC Garage. We appreciate you all for tuning in. And stay tuned for updates on this 1977 Pontiac Ventura.
Also, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the KBCC Garage YouTube channel. Appreciate you all tuning in. See you next time.